Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will introduce how Google Calendar can be useful for keeping track of important dates like project deadlines, assignment due dates, important events, and more. We will refer to Google Calendar as GCal for the rest of this video. Let's use a class schedule and several homework due dates as a case study. This student has several classes that happen on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, one class that happens on Tuesday and Thursday, a class that occurs on Tuesday, and a lab that occurs once on Thursday. To keep everything organized, let's make a new calendar. Find Other Calendars in the bottom left corner and click on the plus sign to the right of it. Select Create New Calendar. In the menu that appears, type in Course Schedule and click on the blue Create Calendar button. Then click on the back arrow in the upper left corner to the left of where it says Settings. Let's start with classes occurring on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Click on an empty space in the calendar. I will select 8 a.m. since this is when the first class happens on Monday, August 29th. For the title, I will type in the name of the class. Then click on where it has the time. This class ends at 8:50, so I will type in 8:50. Then to have it repeat, click on Does Not Repeat. Choose Custom and select the days of the week for the event to repeat. I know from the academic calendar that classes end on Thursday, December 8th. There are also some holidays mixed in, but I can ignore that for right now. In the section titled Ends, choose On, and then select the date. Then click on Done. If I want to, I can add the location of the class like OM201. GCal will automatically start looking for addresses to link to, but you can simply just click off onto an empty space to close this. I also want to make sure that this is going into the course schedule calendar by checking for it near the bottom. If it is not, I can change it by clicking on the name of the calendar and then choosing Course Schedule. I can also change the color for this event by clicking on the colored circle. Finally, I will add a 30-minute notification and 15-minute notification. Then I will click Save. I will quickly add in the rest of the classes and come back. And we're back. The next thing we need to do is delete course sessions that occur during holidays. According to the academic calendar, the first one occurs on September 5th, which is Labor Day. To remove an event from the state, I can simply click on the event and choose the trash can icon. In the pop-up that appears, I'll just choose this event and click on OK. I can go through and do that for each of the other holidays as well. What may come in handy is subscribing to the academic calendar, which is covered in a different video, linked in the description. Now let's talk about homework due dates, project deadlines, and other course activities. This information may already be available to you in the course syllabi or simply be on D2L. In any case, it is certainly useful for you to put this information onto your GCal. You can even block some time out to do work or study for a quiz. Let's say that this student has an assignment due on September 7th at 10 p.m. We're going to make an event and basically use notifications to inform us a few days in advance when this assignment is due. First, I'm going to go to September 7th in my calendar and create an event. Then, instead of putting 10 p.m. into the start time, I will put 9:30 p.m. This will give me extra time if I need it. For the end time, I will choose 10 p.m. From there, I will click on where the title of the calendar is and add my notifications. It does not have a notification for 2 days before, but it does have a few that I want to use, including 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, and 1 day before. Next, I will create a custom notification for 2 days before and 1 week before. Click on Add Notification and choose Custom. From there, you will get a pop-up window where you can choose the type of notification you want, such as email or a little chime if you have your phone, for example. I will then go all the way to the right where it says Minutes and choose Days. From there, I will go back to the middle and change it from 10 to 2. Then click on Done. I will do this again, but instead for 1 week. Click on More Options. For my notifications, it might be better to change them to emails instead, especially because the 1 week, 2 days, and 1 day notifications will occur at 9:30 p.m. Simply click on where it says Notification and change it to Email. A typical email from GCal will have the title of the event, the date and time, and what calendar it is coming from, right in the subject line. More details will be in the email itself. It will also be a good idea to do a quick test of email notifications just to make sure that your email filters don't send it to spam. Then click on the blue Save button. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.